Welcome back. Now we continue with another application question. Read the scenario below and answer questions that follow. We have Dinuka and Daughters Trading. Looking into Dinuka and Daughters Trading, this is a successful partnership, but the partners want to change now to a company that holds the directors responsible for the debts of the business to ensure best performance. Now, first question to us is to say, name the new form of ownership that will be suitable for Dinuka and Daughters Trading. Then, number two, explain how division of profit and legislation can contribute to the success of the form of ownership identified in question 1. Now, let us start with the first question. This is how you approach it. This is how you go about it. You have to establish your facts from your scenario. We are talking about Dinuka and Daughters Trading here, which is a successful partnership. That is the current form of ownership that they have. But the partners want to change to a company that holds the directors responsible for the debts of the business to ensure best performance. So which form of ownership is that one? Is it a private company? No, I don't think so. Is it a public company? I don't think so as well. Is it a non-profit company? No, I don't think so. But the answer here is your personal liability company, because this is the only company that would hold the director responsible for the debts of the business, because there's unlimited liability when it comes to the directors of a personal liability company. Your answer here is supposed to be personal liability company. And how do you motivate that? You quote from the scenario, meaning you take from the scenario. So this is the statement you are going to take to say, but partners want to change to a company that holds the directors responsible for the debts. Remember, you should quote it as it is, for the debts of the business to ensure best performance. Now, that is how you are supposed to quote over there. That's how you're supposed to quote. Now, the second question is to explain how division of profit and legislation can contribute to the success of the form of ownership identified in question 1. So the first part is company, high profits or good returns to shareholders indicate the success of the company, which increases the value of shares. Then looking into the failure, shareholders may sell their shares when dividends are low, resulting in a drop in the share price. So this is to say, when the share price, meaning if one share is equals to 100 Rand, should the company underperform or should the shareholders receive less dividends, they can sell their shares. And when they sell their shares, then it makes the share price to lose value, to be maybe 50 Rand, depending with the market conditions. So that's what we mean over there. Now let us look into legislation. what is the legislation saying regarding a personal liability company? Directors are forced by the Act. That is why this is part of legislation, because this is set by the Act. So to say now, the Act is forcing directors to act responsibly and work harder towards the success of the company. Because should they not work hard, they will not now, or they might lose their assets. So this would be a success for the company, which is called a personal liability company, because the directors would work hard for the success of the company in order to protect their personal assets. However, the failures that lengthy registration requirements may delay the actual operations of the business, and shareholders can lose on profit opportunities. So that would be your legislation relating to the personal liability company. So with that being said, let us take a short break so that we can wrap up our lesson.